Hello friends, here I am going to explain you about some biotechnology. Here the topic is genetically modified organism. Our conventional method in, for example, selection, hybridization, protoplasm fusion, etc. of improvement of plant and animal species involves the whole genome of organism. However, recombinant DNA technology or biotechnology involves the transfer only one or more desired gene or DNA fragment from one organism to another. The organism in which the genes of interest, for example, foreign DNA, have been introduced are called transgenic organism or genetically modified organism. Behavior of genetically modified organism depend on nature of genes transport with nature of host organism, for example plant हो गया, animals, bacterial and food web. Here applications of genetically modification in plants और crop में इसका क्या एप्लीकेशंस होता है. ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट जो होता है हैव बोथ बेसिक एंड अप्लाइड यूजेस. इसका कहाँ का यूज होता है. ट्रांसजेनिक प्लांट्स आर मोर टॉलरेंट टू अबायोटिक स्ट्रेसेस लाइक cold, drought, salt, heat. Genes for resistance for various abiotic stresses have been engineered to generate transgenic plants. Resistance to insects, viruses, etc. It may help in improvement in photosynthesis, etc. Advantages of genetically modified crop. Genetically modified crops produces desired phenotypic traits, the crop plants. Genes responsible for specific protein are inserted into genetically modified crops or GM crop, and then crops producers are having with specific protein. Genetically modified food contain by antibiotic resistance genes itself. It contains protein produced by transgenesis like glyprotein in insect resistance variety. These GM food contain enzyme produced by the antibiotic resistance gene that was used during the gene DNA technology. Now, what are the problems that relate with the consumption of genetically modified? For example, genetically modified food products may cause allergy and toxicity. Enzyme produced by the antibiotic resistance gene contain a foreign protein, therefore it may cause allergy, etc. There are so many problems that is related with the consumption of genetically modified food.